Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Y2K horror forest photo with AI for free. Okay, this is how the photo looks like, and I'm going to show you the prompt to create this photo. First of all guys, you can open up Google Gemini, gemini.google.com, and then you can use Nano Banana feature on this Gemini shown by this banana icon. And wait, I'm going to create new chat, and then you can upload your photo, upload the photo that you want to edit. And for example, I'm going to use this photo. Okay, and then you can add this prompt guys. Okay, this one, and then you're going to send the prompt to the AI. Wait, let me choose Nano Banana. Okay, and submit it, and just hold on. The AI will create creepy photo for you. Okay, and this is the result. And if you want to download the photo, you can click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. And for the prompt guys, I'll put it on the description. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a Y2K horror forest photo with AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.